This is the Coins, Cashflow, and Conversations podcast. I am your host, Dakota Grady, sponsored by Upstate Essential Solutions. Contact me today if you need help with accounting and taxes. Like, in my opinion, this one thing we're talking about tonight is vital for financial literacy. It's the foundation of building wealth, of handling money, and helping you reach your goals and dreams. And that one thing is doing what I call a money plan, a budget, y'all. If you are making income, you want to basically get all your money in assignment, right? Make your money work for you. So I hope you can see my screen. If you can't, my example shows that you made $4,000 for the month. It's April, the month that just started. So this is an example of what you can do with your finances when it comes to doing a monthly money plan. Do this for the rest of your life because you will never outgrow the need to have a plan for your money. I'll say it again. You will never outgrow the need to manage your finances, and you manage your finances, manage your coins, the dinero, the money, whatever you want to call it, the bag, by doing a money plan. We're starting with $4,000 for the month. We're going to do giving, saving, and then pay bills, all right? Basically, you're going to give to give, I'm a follower of Christ, so we tithe, pay ourselves, our savings, money, we have a rainy day fund, and then pay bills, right? So in our example, we're going to give 10% to the Lord, the tithe off top, gross, tithe off gross, not net. And then we're going to pay some money towards our rainy day fund of $300. And then we're going to pay our mortgage of $700. So these are just the basics. We're going to give first, save some for ourselves, pay ourselves second, and then we're going to pay our bills. You do this for every category. You may be doing, let me say this too. If you're behind on bills, I want you to get caught up on your bills, get current, and then I want you to focus on 4 important things. First thing is you want to take care of food, right? You want to eat, housing, pay your mortgage or your rent, clothing, put clothes on, right? And your utilities, right? Such as water and lights. Take care of those 4 things right there. And those are the basics that you need to take care of every single month. If you only had the basics or a bare minimum to pay those things. Food, housing, utilities, transportation as well, and then clothing, because you want to be able to live if something happened to you. Say you lost a job or something like that, and you got money saved, rainy day fund, make sure you're able to cover your basics. All right, so once we do our money plan, we're giving all our money an assignment, a job to work for us, because again, our money is our employee. Without that mentality of thinking that our money is an employee, we won't give an assignment and it'll run away, meaning we'll spend it and we won't know where it went to. Then we'll have a sob story about what happened to our money. No more excuses, y'all. I'm giving you the game plan, I'm giving you the gems to handle your finances. This is the foundation of financial literacy, in my opinion, because according to stats, Career says 78% of people in America, in the US, are struggling financially. And I believe wholeheartedly why people are struggling because they don't do a money plan. They don't manage their finances. So I want to encourage you, if you aren't doing a money plan or budget, start one this month, like for real. All right, so back to our example. We're actually giving our money an assignment. You have car insurance, you have gas, you have utilities, you have mortgage, rent, maybe some hair care or utilities or personal needs, all right? You have those things. Insurance, so you have all these things coming out of your check every month. Give them an assignment. Give them a job for you. Maybe you want to save for retirement, 401k, or you may do your Roth IRA or your traditional IRA. It just depends on what you're doing, but put it on money plan. If it's coming out of your check already, it's already taken care of. So you're managing the money that you bring home every single month, all right? That's simple. So once we do the money plan, we have to live on the money plan, right? So if we earn $4,000 a month, our spending plan, our money plan says we gotta spend the money we actually earn. So we're going to spend $4,000, right? So $4,000 minus $4,000 equals 0. So basically you're living on what you earn. And if you have, say, $4,000 in income, but you have $8,000 in expenses, you're living above your means. So how do you fix that? You either make more income, 1, or 2, you reduce your expenses, or the third thing is you do both. Make more money and also reduce your expenses. That's simple, y'all. If you want to prosper financially, do the money plan every month. You can do this. If I've been doing it for many years, you can do it also, but it's about choices and also it's about discipline. Put it on your calendar to do your money plan or your budget every month. If you're single, get an accountability partner. And if you're married, hold on to this one, y'all. Your accountability partner is your spouse. That's right, I said it. Oh, and this also, all money that comes to your household, if you're married, is household money. There's no my money or his money, or my money or her money. Is our money together. When you get married, you become one. So that means you have bank accounts with both your names on them. My wife and I do have multiple accounts. We have our names on the account because it's all about transparency, honesty, integrity. I ain't got time behind the money flow for my wife. If something happened to me, she was able to get access to the accounts and vice versa. So you want to make your life easy by working with your spouse on the finances, because again, money is one reason why people get a divorce. I don't want that for you. So I'm giving you the gems. If you want a great marriage, it starts with communication, God, and then doing a money plan. That's how I have been married for 16 years now, as of March 22nd of 2024. So you can do this stuff too. It's elementary. Someone actually said, Dakota, what you're teaching is like so elementary. I agree, but people aren't doing this simple stuff. They aren't doing it. I guess they don't want to, but if you want to have a great life, come to your finances, do a money plan. And if you need help with doing a money plan, don't be afraid to say, yo, I need help. And people who want to help you, if they are going to charge you for their time and expertise, pay the person. Because you need help. You may not want to do how to do it, but you need some accountability, and let the person hold you accountable to staying to the plan, that is the money plan, the budget every month. Because you are doing it on your own, so pay someone to help you do that. Pay me to help you stay to the money plan. Again, the website is dakotagrady.com. If you need help with your personal finances, budgeting, paying off debt, saving, or any other goal you have when it comes to your finances, contact me today at dakotagrady.com. It's tax season as well. If you need your taxes done, contact me today at dakotagrady.com. And y'all, this is the Coins, Cashflow, and Conversation podcast. I am your host, Dakota Grady, sponsored by Upstate Essential Solutions. Y'all, make sure you do your money plan. It's simple. You can do it. I recommend doing it, the first one, on paper for 3 months so that you can get used to doing a money plan. This is the foundation to financial literacy, y'all. Make sure you do this stuff. If you want to move forward in your finances, do your monthly budget. That is, do your monthly money plan. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for joining me tonight on this live call. This is the Coins, Cashflow, and Conversation podcast, hosted by Dakota Grady and sponsored by Upstate Essential Solutions. Thanks for joining us, y'all.